the 44th example. And what is said here, electrons emitted with negligible speed from an electron gun are accelerated through a potential difference V. So the electrons are accelerated by a potential difference V along x-axis. So these are the electrons which are being emitted, and due to the potential difference they are being accelerated and they achieve a velocity which is given by under root 2 qv by m, as charge on electron is E. So it will be 2 eV by m, because the kinetic energy half mv square is nothing but the work done charge into potential difference. So on solving you will get V as under root 2 eV by m. So with this velocity the electrons are emerging out. Further, however, some of the electrons emerging from a hole make slightly divergence. So some of the electron they move diverge like this, because as these electrons we are going parallel to magnetic field, so definitely the electrons will travel in a straight line, no magnetic force will act on this. But the electrons which are going diverge, so as few electrons which are diverging and the magnetic field is here. So as we know very well, in this case, when charged particle velocity makes acute angle, when charged particles velocity make acute angle with magnetic field, then path will be helical. So definitely the path of this electron, the component of velocity which is perpendicular to the magnetic field and component of velocity parallel to the field. So the component where perpendicular field will be moved in a circle, while parallel to the field will take the electron forward, and it will go like this, and again it will go at a distance and it focus on x-axis. So the axial distance will be equal to the speed into time. Approximately the parallel speed is total speed, because this angle is very small angle. So V, and time period is 2 pi m upon qb. Here this is given by under root 2 ev by m into 2 pi m upon ev in one time period. So this 2 pi m will get in the root, so it becomes 4 pi square m square upon eb. So m and this m get cancelled. 2 4s are 8 pi square m. This ee get cancelled, pi square m v upon b. And this is nothing but the required proof which is being expected from our side. So they will focus on x-axis after completing one revolution only. Thank you.